Wow, where is it? Oh!
The population of U.S. forces is dropping very quickly. At least you're getting the hang of it flying, but nice.
Oh. Where is it?
U.S. forces. U.S.
Hey,
forces.
you gotta aim it at it, I guess.
Okay, so it's spinning a lot. There's an adjustment that I read that you have to make. You see that little wheel that says tilt?
Oh, okay. Hey. Okay, I got the directional. Oh! Whoa, whoa. Oh.
U.S. forces have crashed! U.S. forces have crashed! Germany is bombed. At least it's cutting the leaves on your tree.
Alright. Hey, there's a rainbow over there.
I thought you needed your trims treed. Your trees
no,
trimmed.
no, you do that. Don't do that. Push the limb.
Yeah, I'll put you up in the corner. Go. You gotta aim right at it too.
U.S. forces have been bombed by giant leaves and a giant tree.
Which one did you push?
Aim at it, remember, the whole time. You get the best,
Germany is bombed.
you get the best direction. Full blast the whole time, Joe.
Okay.
Full blast. And then when you get close to trees, let it drop, pull off.
Drop, drop.
Oh!
You dropped over the tree.
Lucky.
Nice catch.
This is the launch corner.
Mommy.
Hey, maybe we should walk it over to the
Yeah,
baseball field. We'll actually probably run out of battery by then.
probably.
Oh well. It's a couple houses down, right? Is the trail like a 50-foot trail?
Yeah, it's not very long.
Hey,
U.S.
that's
forces
swarming
is
right
dying. U.S. forces is dropping population.
now. Thing would be
Dropping
great if
even
it
more.
was, But whoa, fire!
Wait,
You see that?
they're gone. Wait, where are they?
Oh, so it really does have to get pointed toward it.
Yeah, works good then.
One.
Okay, here's one rocket.
Wait, there's one other one.
Try it
Got it,
without the
Kyle.
rockets in it, maybe.
you
I
got
wonder if
it
that
more?
makes any difference.
You gotta point it and it works pretty well. The thing's cool. No doubt about it, it's cool.
Yeah, I really gotta.
Abort.
I want to get the $120 ones.
That would-
$120
oh, yeah,
$120 ones. Ding, ding.
Where are you gonna get all that money?
I don't know. Save up for it.
Oh, that's a good answer. That's a good answer,
You
Kyle.
only half of the 100.
I do.
Yeah, you do. Over half.
Black Hawk down. Kyle.
Sean, put the rockets in.
Bunny is hiding behind their house. It's probably squished in the street.
Right now is the swarm of the bugs.
U.S. forces
I'm going in.
is still
I'm getting
dropping
nervous. Go.
population.
Fire. Uh-oh. It went through crack. You guys saw it.
At least he has spare.
He does?
Yeah.
Abort. Good landing. Good landing.
Forces.
Okay,
Here, rocket. Oh, we're shutting down. Abort.
That's awesome. Brian, that's fun. How do you think that is, Fit? Thing's cool. Yeah, you got a lot of open space.
He's too scared to catch it. U.S. forces are really dropping.
Nice flight.
U.S.
Yeah.
U.S.